Hello everyone, I, Pradnya Pujari, welcome you all on behalf of KK Wagh Secondary School and Junior College, Saraswati Nagar, Nasik. Today in this video, we are going to learn about the principles of management. Management is considered as one of the required source of business organization. Management function includes planning, organizing, staffing, leading or directing and controlling an organization or effort for the purpose of accomplishing a goal. Principle is defined as fundamental truth or proposition that serve as the foundation for a system of belief or behavior or for a chain of reasoning. Let's see the nature of principle of management. The first nature of principle of management is universal application. The principle of management are universal in nature. That means they can be applied to all type of organization irrespective of their size and nature. Second is general guidelines. Management principle provide general guidelines in tackling the organizational situation wisely as well as in solving the problem. Principles are formed by practice and experiment. The management principles are developed gradually with research work. Systematic observation and experiment are conducted before developing them. Fourth is flexibility. Management principles are flexible in nature. It means they can be changed or modified according to the situations. Fifth is cause and effective relationship. Principles of management are the base for taking decision. They determine the cause or reason for particular effect. Sixth is all principles are of equal importance. All principles of management are of equal importance. Those are to be practiced simultaneously to get best result in form of achievement. Last is behavioral in nature. Management is a group activity. Management aim at achieving certain goal through a group of human beings. Now let's see the significance of management principle. The first significance of management principle is provides useful insight to manager. The principle of management help the manager to understand the organization. The study of principle help to improve the understanding of situation and problems. Helpful in efficient utilization of resources. The basic function of management is to make proper balance between the resource by putting them to optimum use and control on wastage of resources. Third is scientific decision. In business organization, scientific decision means systematic or balanced decision. Fourth is understanding social responsibility. Management principles are based on every aspect of organization. They are not developed only from viewpoint of handling the resource effectively, but they guide management in understanding responsibility. Fifth is encourage research and development. Principles of management are dynamic. They encourage research and development. Sixth is helps to coordinate and control. Management principles are the guideline for better condition and control and for the coordination in an organization. Last is it develops objective approach. With the help of various principles of management, one can develop an object approach. Manager can identify the business opportunity. So these were some of the important points from principle of management.